Hello, I'm so excited to share this with you because we've now got voice mode live inside Hey Monika, which means you can phone one of your fake clients and have a conversation with them. This gives you a sort of risk-free opportunity to practice client interaction without actually working with a real client. So scenario mode gives you access to lots of different business owners. You'll be doing accounting and bookkeeping tasks for them. I'm just going to jump into Adele. She's our poster girl, and I'm going to have a look at her year-end accounts. So I've been working through this scenario, and just to give you some context, when you're doing this particular scenario, you have access to Adele's accounting software, you have access to her email inbox, you request documents from her, you upload things into the accounting software. And what I'm going to do right now, though, is just show you voice mode. I'm going to give her a call. So I'm going to phone the client and I'm just going to ask her a couple of questions so that I can give you the sort of feel of what it's like to be working with one of our clients in voice mode. So I'm going to phone the client now. It's just going to connect my microphone and then the call will start.
Hello, Adele Sorensen speaking.
Hi, Adele. It's Zoe, your accountant here. How are you?
Hi, Zoe. I'm doing well, thanks. It's good to hear from you. How are things with you?
Oh, it's great to hear from you too. Yeah, I'm really well, thanks. I'm just bringing your accounts up to date for the year end, and we are nearly there now. I just wanted to ask you about a couple of transactions. So the first one, you had an invoice where you made a payment to Larson Photography. Could you remind me what that was for, please?
Yes, that was for a photo shoot. I had them come and do a shoot for some new promotional materials for Coach Me.
Oh, that makes sense, of course. Okay, no worries. I just wanted to double check that was a business expense and how I needed to include it. So it wasn't something that you did for a client. It's not being charged on to a client. It's actually for you for your promotional business purposes.
Yes, that's right. It's for my business, Coach Me. I needed some new photos for my website and marketing materials.
Okay, nice. That's great. Thank you. Other thing, I'm putting through an adjustment for you, and I know that you're using your personal car for mileage and traveling to meetings. Could you just remind me of how many miles you travelled in the year, and I'll make sure I put that adjustment through for you.
Yes, I believe I traveled about 3,200 miles in my car for business purposes.
Brilliant. Okay, and would that be for meetings with clients and things like that?
Yes, that's right. Meetings with clients, traveling to events, that sort of thing.
Okay, perfect. That's all I need for now. How's the family?
They're doing well, thank you. My son had a bit of a bang his head in PE the other day, but he's absolutely fine now. Just a nasty bump. My daughter is doing well at school. How about your family?
Oh, that's great to hear. Yeah, my kids are doing really well as well. They're loving school at the moment, but I think they're ready for the summer holidays.
I know what you mean. It feels like this year has flown by.
Yeah, I know. Okay, well, look, Adele, I'll let you get on. I know you're really busy, but it was really nice to talk to you, and thanks for sharing that info with me.
Yes, it was lovely to chat with you too, Zoe. Thanks for all your help with the accounts. Is there anything else you need from me?
No, that's all. Have a great day. Thanks, Adele. Bye.
Lovely, thanks. Speak soon.
And there we go. We've had a nice chat with our client. She's able to tell me some of the information that I need to be doing her accounts. And I think what you will love about this is that when you get to the end of a scenario now, when you've used voice mode, let me just answer that. I'm going to get this wrong. I haven't. Oh, I've passed the scenario. Great news. So I can share my progress. I can add this to my work experience record. But if I jump into voice feedback here, I also get an evaluation of my conversation. So I get a score and I get judged against we've got a kind of rubric behind the scenes which measures your communication style against a number of different elements, and it tells me what I do well. I was friendly and engaging, I asked relevant questions. Apparently I should be a bit clearer in terms of requesting documents. I need to maintain my focus and be professional. I went to personal topics, but I feel like that's kind of my personality there, and it's also given me some suggestions of how I might rephrase things. So I just wanted to show you that we have this now. It's live in Hey Monika. We are testing all the time though, so if you have feedback, please let us know. And we will be adding more scenarios now that we have this great infrastructure here. Next thing coming up is email. So instead of sort of WhatsApp messaging your clients, you'll be able to actually drop them an email in an email format as well. But I would love to know what you think of voice mode.